animal's name? Lion. Lion. The lion is a strong wild animal. It is called the king of the jungle. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is a very large animal. It has a long trunk and big ears. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck. It loves to eat leaves from tall trees. Tiger. Tiger. Tiger is a big wild cat. It has beautiful black strips. Cat. Cat. A cat is a cute pet animal. It loves to drink milk and play. Cow. Cow. A cow is a gentle farm animal. It gives us milk. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra looks like a horse. It has black and white strips. Dog. Dog. The dog is a friendly pet animal. It is known for being loyal. Camel. Camel. A camel lives in the desert. It can walk for a very long time without water. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has a thick skin. It has 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Buffalo. Buffalo. The buffalo is a strong farm animal. It has large curved horns. Horse. Horse. The horse is a strong animal. It can run very fast. Cheetah. Cheetah. The cheetah is a fast wild cat. It is the fastest land animal. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is a large animal. It loves spending time in water. Turtle. Turtle. The turtle has a hard shell. It moves slowly on land. Yak. Yak. The yak has long, thick hair. It lives in cold mountain areas. Deer. Deer. The deer is a gentle animal. It can run very fast. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey loves climbing trees. It enjoys eating fruits. Bear. Bear. The bear is a large wild animal. It has thick fur and strong legs. Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile lives near rivers and lakes. It has a long body and sharp teeth. Fox. Fox. The fox is a clever wild animal. It has a long bushy tail. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit has long ears. It loves eating grass and vegetables. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf is a wild animal. Wolves often live and hunt in groups. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. The kangaroo has strong back legs. It carries its baby in a pouch. Leopard. Leopard. The leopard is a fast wild cat. It has beautiful spots on its body. Goat. Goat. The goat is a farm animal. It likes eating grass and leaves. Sheep. Sheep. The sheep has soft woolly fur. Its wool is used to make warm clothes. Pig. Pig. The pig has a round body. It has a short curly tail. Donkey. Donkey. The donkey is a strong animal. It can carry heavy loads. Ox. Ox. The ox is a strong farm animal. It helps farmers plough fields and carry heavy loads. Panda. Panda. The panda has black and white fur. It loves eating bamboo. Koala. Koala. The koala lives in trees. It loves eating eucalyptus leaves. Squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel has a fluffy tail. It loves eating nuts and seeds. Sloth. Sloth. The sloth moves very slowly. It spends most of its time in trees. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is a smart animal. It loves climbing and swinging in trees. Gorilla. Gorilla. The gorilla is a large, strong animal. It lives in forest and eats plants. Hyena. Hyena. The hyena is a wild animal. It has strong jaws and powerful teeth. Jackal. Jackal. The jackal is a clever wild animal. It has pointed ears and a bushy tail. Porcupine. Porcupine. The porcupine has sharp quills. Its quills help protect it from danger. Reindeer. Reindeer. The reindeer lives in cold regions. Otter. Otter. The otter is a playful animal. It is an excellent swimmer. Anteater. Anteater. The anteater has a long snout. It uses its long tongue to eat ants. Llama. Llama. The llama has soft, thick wool. It lives in the mountains of South America. Antelope. Antelope. The antelope has long, slender legs. It can run very fast. Meerkat. Meerkat. The meerkat is a small animal. It often stands up to look for danger. Quiz time. Which animal is this? Yes, zebra. Which animal is this? Yes, this is panda. Which animal is this? Sloth. Which animal is this? Yes, this is wolf. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like video.